Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I will be sharing my outdoor spaces, my front and my backyard. I will also be sharing how I put together a few of my fall planters, and then at the end, I will share how both spaces turned out at night. So if you think you guys are interested in seeing some outdoor decorating for fall, please stay with me until the end. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Okay, so I'm going to start here with this planter. You guys have seen this spear that I use around my front yard from time to time, and so this time I just placed a ornamental ball inside, and I used some fall leaves around the base, and then I placed them on top of a grapevine wreath. It's very simple, but it adds a nice fall touch to the planter. Okay, so this planter here, you guys saw in the last video, but since that video, I decided to remove the summer plants altogether. I really wasn't feeling the light pink, and so I just replaced them with some mums and then found some faux fall decor and added to the planter. And I added some curly willow just to give a little texture to the canna. And the canna I know is red and it does stand out against all of the fall colors, but my husband really likes it, and we do repeat the red color on the front island, and you may see that in a little bit. And I just really like the way it turned out, and my husband does too. So in this planter, this sits out in the front yard, and I removed all of the summer flowers and replaced them with some fall picks. Now this planter here, it also had summer flowers, and I removed the summer flowers, everything except the purple heart. And you guys told me about the purple heart, and so I went ahead and picked one up, and it does spread. But next year I think I will place it in on the ground. I'm not real fond of how it looks in the pot, but after I took out all of the summer plants, it left a few holes and some gaps, and so I just filled in with some fall decor as well. Now on the porch, this is my spiral evergreen that's here all the time. Sometimes it's on the back deck, but for the past couple years I think I've had it up here, and so I just placed some fall decor around the porch just to give it that fall look. I placed some leaves around the base and then added a pumpkin and of course the mums. And so here is a picture of the front yard. Here are the roses. They do look a little stressed right now, and I think it's because of the heat, but they may perk up as it gets a little cooler. Okay, so now we are on my deck. And I just have, well, actually I have I have 5 planters back here, but this one is one that I kind of put a lot of different fall decor pieces in, and I like the way it turned out. I like to add pumpkins into my planters sometimes just for a little texture and a little interest. And of course I added a little grapevine ball in this one as well, and then some curly willow just to take up space as filler after removing the summer flowers. And so here I am taking some burlap fabric and I'm cutting it into small squares so that I can wrap it around my mom. I don't have any extra pots, and I really don't want to buy extra pots during the fall season. I tried to cut back on my fall spending, and so I'm just using this. I've used this method for a while, and you just wrap it and tuck it, and then you secure it with a rubber band. So here I'm using a little rug on the table just to kind of soften the glass table, and then I'm placing a tray on top. And I picked this tray up from Goodwill several years ago. I like to use it on the outdoors to corral all of my decor that I place on the table. And I think this is a boot tray. So now I'm going to go ahead and complete the decorating on the deck. So I hope you guys stick around so you can see how it all turned out. And don't forget to stay until the end so you can see the nighttime view if you are interested. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you at the next video. Bye-bye.
Never been so loud before. Just trying to make you understand my eyes and hands, but you don't even hear my call. And you make me wonder who I am. Do you know what I see? I see myself cry and say you won't be mad. Do you know what I feel? I'm sick of all your lies. Just say you want me. Say you want me bad. Say you won't be mad. Just say you want me. Say you want me bad. Do you know what I see? I see myself cry. Do you know what I feel? I'm sick of all your lies. We can't compete with speed and sound, 'cause heart is too hard to predict. You should admit, slowly things will come around. I'm still waiting for you to say it, say it. Do you know what I see? I see myself cry and say you won't be